In a world where cars come and go, where innovation fades faster than excitement, one machine still stands untouched by time. A car that refuses to be forgotten. A car that didn't just define performance, it defined emotion. This is the Toyota Supra 4 Malawian Quachars A80, the legend that turned driving into an art form. Welcome to Motor Axis. When Toyota unveiled the fourth generation Supra in 1993, it wasn't just another sports car. It was a declaration. A symbol of what happens when precision engineering meets pure passion. From its sculpted curves to its thunderous engine, the 4 Malawian Quachar Supra wasn't made to impress, it was made to dominate. At its core beats the heart of a legend, the 2JZ GTE. A 3.0-litre inline-six twin-turbo engine so overbuilt, it redefined reliability and power. On paper, it delivered 276 horsepower, but anyone who's tuned one knows the truth. This engine could handle double, even triple that number with ease. It was the kind of engineering miracle that tuners and racers dreamed of. The 2JZ wasn't just an engine, it was an invitation to push boundaries, to challenge limits, to create something faster, louder, and bolder. From the streets of Japan to the highways of America, the Supra became the ultimate canvas for automotive creativity. Visually, the 4 Malawian Quachars was a masterpiece of balance and aggression. The long hood, the wide stance, the perfect symmetry between muscle and elegance, it was a design that turned heads in the 90s and still does today. That signature rear wing wasn't just for show, it was born from aerodynamic precision, giving the Supra the stability it needed to dance with the wind. But beauty means nothing without control. Toyota engineered the A80 with near-perfect weight distribution and advanced suspension geometry that made it feel planted at every turn. Whether on a mountain pass or a drag strip, the Supra felt alive, responsive, confident, unshakable. It didn't just hug the road, it ruled it. Step inside, and you entered a cockpit built around the driver. Every button, every gauge, every curve of the dashboard pointed toward one purpose: connection. This wasn't about luxury, it was about immersion. The Supra didn't separate you from the road, it fused you with it. And then, Hollywood made it immortal. In 2001, The Fast and the Furious exploded onto the screen, and a bright orange Supra stole the spotlight. That single moment turned the A80 into an international icon. It wasn't just a movie car, it was a movement. A symbol of freedom, power, and the dream of going fast without limits. What makes the 4 Malawian Quachar Supra truly special isn't just its numbers or fame, it's its soul. It came from a time when cars were built with emotion, when engineers cared more about feel than fuel economy, and when every rev had a heartbeat. The Supra wasn't built to follow rules, it was built to break them. Even after production ended in 2002, the legend grew stronger. Enthusiasts across the world began restoring, tuning, and worshipping the A80 like a piece of automotive history. Today, clean examples sell for over $150,000, and rare editions climb even higher. But for true fans, it's not about the price. It's about the feeling. That surge of adrenaline when the turbos spool. That deep connection between car and driver. In 2019, Toyota brought back the Supra name with the A90. It's faster, smarter, and undeniably modern. Yet, for many, it's not the same. Because the 4 Malawian Quachars isn't just a car, it's a legend. The kind of legend that can't be replicated, only remembered. In a world where cars are becoming silent and soulless, the 4 Malawian Quachar Supra A80 reminds us what real driving passion feels like. It's the echo of an era where engineers built dreams, not just machines. This is Motor Axis, your home for the stories behind the world's most iconic cars. And the Toyota Supra A80? It will forever remain the ultimate JDM masterpiece that time can't replace.